Bringing in some rich history from the California and Mexico coastal waters, the Western Flyer has landed in Santa Barbara. The 1940 legendary novelist John Steinbeck and his friend, scientist Ed Ricketts, embarked on an ecological journey to the Sea of Cortez. On board this vessel, which had been used to haul in sardines.
They never owned the boat. It was a leased boat. It was only for 6 weeks, but the boat features pretty prominently in the story from the log of the Sea of Cortez.
On board is the logbook about the journey to collect marine and fauna samples. The Western Flyer is docked for a few days in Santa Barbara and had a 4-hour open house to show the public its restoration that began before the pandemic and after it was nearly gone forever. Before this vessel was restored, it was completely underwater, one of the 3 times in its history that it sank.
This is how it looked in 2015 coming out of the ocean.
Some of the photos and information about the history and now the upgrades were shared with guests weaving their way through.
The engine can go about 6 hours almost silently, like to follow whales, and it's a hybrid engine.
It's a John Deere diesel and electric with state-of-the-art features. The Western Flyer will be making stops down the coast in areas including Long Beach and San Diego. Students coming aboard will learn about some of the research equipment to take samples of the ocean water where they're traveling.
So what we'll do is we'll drop that down at a discrete location to just above the bottom, and you get this vertical profile right here.
We're really focused on young people from maybe 15, early 20s, and our mission is around combining the arts and the scientists. Much like Steinbeck and Ricketts. One was an author, the other was a scientist. And that magic on the trip was because they're together.
One of the guests knew of the boat and had read the book.
You got a picture of Ed Ricketts in there, books that they were using. The crew is very knowledgeable, very excited about their adventure that they're going to be retracing, so it's very inspiring.
If you asked fishermen about Western Flyer, they wouldn't have known it as the Steinbeck boat. They would know it as one of the top fishing boats. It looks very different than the other boats you see around here, and it should. You know, it's 80, 90 years old.
In Santa Barbara, I'm News Channel reporter John Palmentary.